friends, welcome to the channel The Science of Gardening. In this episode, we will be showing you how to make a terrarium to decorate your home. Terrarium is also called as glass garden, bottle garden or a vivarium. It's enclosed with glass sides and sometimes a glass top, and it is arranged for keeping plants indoor. The purpose of terrarium is to decorate your home or office and can also be used in scientific observation. You can create your own terrarium in any clear glass vessel. It needs to be clear so that the sunlight can get in. You can either have an open or a closed terrarium. Closed just meaning it has a top. You can easily make a beautiful terrarium yourself. Now we are going to show you the step-by-step procedure in creating the terrarium. Select a clean, transparent, thick-walled glass bowl with a various shape and size depending upon your taste and budget. Clean the bowl with soap solution and wash it thoroughly. Keep the bowl in sunlight for some time until all the moisture dries out. You should choose the plants depending on the type of terrarium that you are going to make, because there are closed terrariums and open terrariums. First, you select the plant that can thrive in the same kind of environment. Do not mix the moisture loving and dry weather plants together. A closed terrarium creates a humid environment, so plants like ferns, altrentha, pilea and begonias thrive. Open terrariums are drier, so consider succulents, cacti, even herbs like jade and spider plants, etc. The soil mixture used in this terrarium consists of garden soil, vermiculite, coco peat. Start with a layer of marble-sized pebbles at the bottom of your container. These will help the soil drainage so the roots of your plants won't get waterlogged. Then apply some Fevicol fluid or any other adhesive around the wall of the container above the pebbles. Spread some small chips or color coarse sand evenly on the adhesive material and leave it for some time for drying. It can hide the charcoal and potting mixture inside the bowl from vision, and it also adds beauty to your terrarium. Every terrarium needs an additional drainage layer with charcoal. This layer helps ensure excess water doesn't stay in the soil and does not cause root rot. Spread a 1-inch layer of small pieces of charcoal on the drainage pebbles. The charcoal helps keep the water clear of buildup of microorganisms that might grow in your substrate. Then gently spread the soil mixture up to 2 to 4 inches above the charcoal layer depending upon the size of your container. Now we form a small pond-like structure at the center with pebbles, and please add some more blue colored sand inside. It will represent water. You can use some small toys like ducklings to give a more realistic look. Plant your plants around the pond. When you remove the plants from their pots, carefully tease the roots apart and remove some of the old soil so that they can fit nicely in the terrarium. Arrange them to look nice. Leave some space for them to breathe and grow. Pat down the soil so they don't get uprooted easily. Add decorative pebbles, rocks, toys, butterflies or whatever to make your terrarium look like a little garden world. Water the plants but not too much. Clean the walls of the bowl by gently spraying water on it, and also spray some water on the plants to create a suitable microclimate inside the bowl. Place it in indirect light. If you place the bowl in direct sunlight, the water vapor may spread on the wall and hide the internal structure. For terrariums, they need a light water once a week. Use a spray gun or a terrarium water bottle that has a pointy nozzle to help guide the water. You can use a terrarium to grow plant and also save the water. The walls of terrarium cool down the moisture and the water slips down, and this cycle can happen for months. Make sure your terrarium is not in the direct sunlight to avoid the plants getting overheated and drying out. Within your home, place the terrarium in a bright area with lots of indirect sunlight. If you see your plants start to brown, they could be getting too much of light. Thank you for watching the video, friends. Please do like, share and subscribe so that it will help the video to reach more viewers and plant lovers. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.